Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see how to get the data from website and most important formula in Excel, that is called XLOOKUP, VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. V and HLOOKUP will be older one and new nowadays XLOOKUP, the merger of V and X. You can use whether it is vertical or horizontal in only one formula, that is called XLOOKUP. It's a new one we will gonna see today. Okay, before that we are gonna open on Excel file sample. So we need some data tables to use this formula. First you need to get some data from the website, so it will be easy for you to use the software. In Excel you can get data from different sources like files, database, source from other servers or power platforms, from online servers in our company, in your companies, or some other source. And you can get it from web. What do you mean by web? Web means just a browser. You can get the data. For that you have to do just find some website like country code, phone, country wise contact list. Yes, what are the contact numbers for each country and their GDP, some data. See here in this website it has been given that country name and country code, ISO code, and population, area, and GDP. So just copy this web link, and move to your Excel. Just in data option you can go inside of the get data, or here from the web you just click it. Yeah, just paste the website, click OK, then just do connect with the website. It's just loading. It will take a couple of minutes to load the website and extract the data, and it will show you from you can see from web as it is, you can see, and tables you can see here. If you click this one, there are tables, 2-3 tables are there. First table will be this, and second table is another and suggested table 3, table 4, table 5, everything, HTML codes. Yeah, anything from anyone you can select, take it, but we will go with the first table itself. That's enough for us. Just we will load that data simply for minimal requirements. So in this we just see these are the countries, country code, ISO code, and population, area, and GDP. This is what we found from the website. Okay, the same data has been copied to that Excel, just like that. Simply your copy and paste will may not work. In this table you can just take the data easily, and even you can convert, and you can do a lot in the Power Query. You are just doing edit. There are more lot of options that you can do. Means you can give some formulas and some tables, and you can rank where is the most population will be there, percentages, and like that. So there are a lot of options that we will see in our upcoming videos. Just we will close, and we will go for the three major soft formulas which we are going to use. We look up, HLOOKUP, and we are going to see XLOOKUP. Just the formula, if you are well known about these formulas, yes, it's easy. Just VLOOKUP means vertical lookup, HLOOKUP is horizontal lookup, which means VLOOKUP from horizontal. Vertical means from first data, from this data you are going to get the answers from here. For HLOOKUP, this is your data, search data, and you are gonna be find below data. I'm just gonna add one more cells, and I'm gonna give 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, just numbers. So for on to know India. India. Before that, we can use the formula, simple formula, that is called data validation. Data validation from the list. The list is gonna be from this to this. Yes, then select and then click OK. Now you see there is a data validation, the same I'm gonna use it for all. So now I'm gonna search India. See, India I selected, so I selected India. Now I need, this is a country, here I need the area in this column. So this is the area we know. For what is the area for India, we need to identify. Yes, of course we will find those things, don't worry. I'm just putting X because we need some. Okay, now we will do a little more thing, that we will insert these things on above, then only we can check whether we, while filtering time, we can easily find the answers are correct or not. For example, India, I need to find the area value, so I'm gonna use VLOOKUP. We need to look up value. So if you type the VLOOKUP, you can type, or just you can put plus VLOOK, then it will give two options are there. There are two more formulas also, sir. VLOOKUP max and VLOOKUP minimum. So we will go with VLOOKUP first. Just you can click a tab, then automatically it will be types full and gives the formula, and you can see it gives the instruction what has to be done next. Now it shows that lookup value, what you are going to look. You have to choose that I am looking the value of India, and the value is India. It's showing in the comma on top, you can see, right? Then put a comma, then it shows the table from where to where you want to find the table. You can choose this table. The table name is already table 1. You can see here already when we export, it's automatically given the name of table 1. You can take the table 1 name, or else you can select from here to full bottom down, or else another option, you just choose from the A to F, just like that. So the table has been selected, then put comma, then column index. Column index is nothing but from this table, the India name was mentioned in the index number 1, country code mentioned in 2 second, and ISO code is in 3rd, population is 4, area is in 5, GDP in 6. So now you understand where is the area column is index is 5, mention 5, and then mention approximate value, match or exact match. You need exact match, make it 0, 0. See, the area is, India's area is this much. So if you want to confirm, just filter India. You can get the values 32,000 or how much, 3 lakhs, right? Oh my god, 32 lakhs kilometers. Okay, then okay, clear the filter. Then we will find another one more option. We will find what is the country code. Just country code, you can say, and use the same formula. We look up, open bracket, lookup value is India, And what is the table you are going to select? You can select the table 1. Okay, see, when you type the table and automatically it will be shows from where to where it is finding. Then put comma, then column index. You need country code, so country code column index is 2, so mention 2. Okay, 2 comma 0. See, India code is now 1. Then that's it. So I hope you people understand the formula of VLOOKUP. And if you want to know Afghanistan, see, the area came and country code is came. And one more thing, ISO code also will go called how they are called in shortcut of these countries. We'll go with them just like that. Simple. This time we are going to use the same formula. VLOOKUP. We are going to look up the country name from this table from here to here. When you select, automatically it shows the table, automatically choose that it is from the table 1. Okay, then you need ISO code. ISO code is number 3, column index is 3 comma 0. Afghanistan, yeah, this name. Okay, now we will go with some other country. Austria. Just paste whatever the country name you need, you can paste, you can get it. Bahrain, and then Austria, again Australia, Argentina. See, it's simply just finding the values. Okay, what is the use of XLOOKUP? Okay, XLOOKUP is used to find the value of this index by selecting from this. Okay, so we are gonna give this data validation has to be changed into different, because this time we are going to do is these 3 items we are going to select it. Okay, so we need country code. For country code, what is the column index? This value we are going to get. So here we will say index number. Okay, I will change in different way. We have already here. Okay, so what we are going to do is, this is the items we have, the same items, we need the index numbers over here. Okay, now I'm going to use HLOOKUP find the value. Which value I are going to find? Country. This value I'm going to find from which table? The table is from this 2, A7 to F8. Come on, here also row index. Before it is column index 1 2 3 we already given manually and we identified. From here it is only 2 rows. Okay, second row value I need, exact or approximate match 1. Okay, the same thing. Okay, I'm gonna freeze this area so I can copy paste the same formulas, or else I can do another way. HLOOKUP of this one, from where I'm going to find is from table 1 row value 2 comma 0. If you can give or not give, it automatically takes. Why the error is because instead of giving dot I give something dot, comma, instead of I give dot. That's why it's happening. Enter is, oh okay, the table is taken from the below, so the items was not found. That's why it's giving not applicable. If the answer is not found, then it will not give. Okay, so what we can do, we will just select this item, we will give it a name as table. It's not possible, so just we will change the formula to the name same. HLOOKUP of this one from this table, these two line items we have to select manually, because the table already taken is from the first header is not as considered in the table, so we can't able to find that value, comma 2 comma 0. Why we are giving 2 row number? So in the formula nowadays, the Excel itself gives you the clear information what is exactly looking, what is the item has to come. So we will give this now. Again it will be not showing, because the area is here mentioned in different word. The same word has to be in here, otherwise it will not shows not available. So column index is 5, and then I'm gonna do one thing, that I'm gonna freeze this and just drag the formula here, so you see the same formula is applied to here also. Very simple it is, right? The XLOOKUP, what is the difference now in XLOOKUP? What we can do with XLOOKUP? To see, just very simple. In XLOOKUP, you are going to find what you are going to find. I am going to find this country value, yes, from lookup array, from where we are going to see simply straight away the table area. I am gonna find AA. I'm going to find, you don't need to select the table area array, where you are going to search the name, like country name Argentina, which column it is. You select that one and return array. What answer you need? I need same country name. Again select AA, comma. So if not found means in HLOOKUP and VLOOKUP it will comes not applicable. But here in this you can give, if not applicable you can mention as space, comma, match, exact match 0, and then close it. See, Argentina. The same thing you are going to do for XLOOKUP of, what you are gonna look is Argentina, but this time you are going to find name from this table, and you need answer area. So you have to select the return array will be from here, so then it will use the area value. If you can't find the name Argentina, or if you spell wrongly, typed wrongly the country name, then it will be shows not applicable. Instead of showing not applicable errors, you can make it space and then comma exact match. You see, it gives the country code. The same way, this gives the area, how much the kilometer it is. And then if you use the same formula XLOOKUP and you are looking for Argentina, yes, from this place you can find that, and you need answer of country code. You can just select this return array and then come on. If not found, give a space and then find the exact match, so give 0 and then close it. Then for ISO code, XLOOKUP of Argentina, and I'm going to find it from this place, and if I found where the answer has to come from, for example it is from, when you need ISO code, so from this area I need the answer, so then give comma, and if not found it has to be space and then exact match 0, so then close it. Okay, see, VLOOKUP also gives the same formula, same answer. Now here also it gives the same answer. If you want to use the same drop down options, you can also paste over here the same, and you can change the drop down option. The formula will automatically change for this name. It finds the name. This all formulas linked with this name, so it is finds the relevant answer for that. So okay, how we can use this XLOOKUP to find the HLOOKUP. How HLOOKUp is from top to bottom down, it is giving the answer. We know VLOOKUP is gives from left to right answers. Okay, if you can find left this column, if you give this name, it will gives this all answers in VLOOKUP. In HLOOKUP, it will give, if you give the top row, and it will give the bottom answers. For example, if in HLOOKUP, if you give country and if you say I need 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, so 11th row I need the answer means it will give Argentina and area country code 54 like that. The same thing we need to use for through XLOOKUP. How we can use, for example, XLOOKUP of what you are going to search, country code, yes, where you are going to look this area only. You don't need to take like the table, only one line where you are going to search. Okay, if you search on this country, definitely it will choose the country answer. Yeah, I find it. So country I choose, it has been taken from the 7 by 7. 7 by 7 is a row. Then answer, from where you need to get the answer. I need to get the answer of second row, comma. If not found, what we can do, before we give space, two commas if you give, it will give space. Otherwise you can make that not found, comma, you need the exact match and then close it. See, the HLOOKUP what it did, the same HLOOKUP also did. So if you fix these two, F4 and then F4, means you are fixing the lookup array and then return array. I am fixed already, so I'm just copying the same formula, I'm pasting over here. See, now it gives the area index is 5 and then country code will be 213. Yeah, just simple it is, right? I hope you people are enjoyed with this video and you learn VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP and XLOOKUP. If you have any doubts, please let me know. I can help you, and I am ready to teach you simple and easy as you need. Yeah, thank you friends, thank you for watching my video.